Mama said I should stop acting weird. I'm being too loud, it's just me and my depression beard. Who are you now? More is less and less, the less appears. Feeling true that, but I guess I got some ends to share.
For that, which I've told you.
Does he pretend to be a child? I say child.
No, he has like, I think people help him. Or he does the voice sometimes, I think too. But you don't really see that. He doesn't do it. He just does the pretty much. He'll show their fucking.
Pinterest, it just fucks people up because they're like, oh, this is exactly how you do it. But you're right.
Yeah, if it made it all the way to Pinterest, it's got to be good.
Yeah, and then it sucks.
It's like, wow, this might be the worst brownie I've ever even held.
Yeah,
you know,
there's people out here not fucking learning.
Tell you what, gotta be hard pressed to scratch bake a better brownie than you could find in a box. Box is as good as you're gonna get.
Cake too.
Yeah, it's as good as you're gonna get.
Jacob bakes, but Jacob, you don't use box recipes, do you?
Never.
Damn.
No.
Was that offensive that we said that?
Well, it's 16th century marbles.
So,
oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing?
The mountain lady's here. I go, oh, Mom?
You smell like car fluids.
Okay, can I ask you a question? Do you put dog hair on your clothes yourself, or do you roll around with those knots? It's fucking super.
Thousands of 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, and their customers are 4 times less likely to have a claim filed against them. You run your business. Let Bambi run your HR. Go to Bambi.com/bonfire right now for your free HR audit. Spelled B-A. Like the bar shows, like he'd be like the one that would close it out.
Okay.
You know, like they started getting some stuff. But he was like comically famous.
Did he do it out of Philly the whole time, or did he move to LA?
Philly.
The whole time.
Well, he was in next Friday when he got me that plane ticket to go.
That's where you met
Keith Robinson.
Yeah.
That's where I met Keith Robinson. Kind of go to the store 1,000 times. But Michael Blackson, the reason he got me that ticket and send people like that, he still worked for the airport.
This has gotten worse. What's the point of the road grader? Oh, way low, way low. Oh, that's soft, that's soft, that's soft.